Good morning, uh, my friend Haja uh, requested me to clarify what was the difference between the Food Adulteration Act procedures, sending the samples by the vendor from whom the property or food was seized, or the present procedure, the Food Safety and Standards Act 2006. And earlier, this Prevention of Food Adulteration Act, Section 11 deals with the procedure. There, when he takes a sample, food inspector takes a sample, he shall give notice in writing that he has analyzed the sample and address what is disclosed under Section 14A. Then, then they say. Send one part of analyst to the public analyst under intimation to local health authority. Send the remaining two parts of local authority for the purpose of section 2A, 2A of the section 30. Then, when the part of sample sent to police under subsection 1 so and so, the shall and that is for the property damage. Then, the sample should be forwarded to public analyst in the local area. Then when application is an article of food seized under section 4 of 10 unless destroyed and any adulterant seized and shall be produced before a magistrate as soon as possible. Therefore, if the property is produced before the magistrate within 7 days of receipt of report of public analyst, then if application is made by the vendor for public analyzation, then on application magistrate may direct them to send the property and issue direction for adulteration. That was section 11 deals with. But under Food Adulteration Act, Food Safety and Standard Act, the provisions are something different. That is section 38. 38 says, here instead of the food safety officer term was used, food safety officer takes the sample and sees the article, then deals with according to criminal procedure code. Then section 42 says the food safety officer shall be responsible for inspection of food business, drawing sample and sending them to food analyst and for analysis. Then within 14 days to designated officer. There health officer, here designated officer, and copy to Commissioner of Food Safety. Then within 14 days, recommendation may be forwarded to Commissioner of Food Safety. Then Commissioner of Food Safety deemed fit within the period as per the gravity of whether he court appointed or he can transfer to this. Then again, then section 46 says within 14 days on receipt of date of a sample, he has to take necessary action. Then the duty of the food safety officer is give notice in writing to his intention about his intent to have so analyzed, then send one part of analyst to the food analysis to the food analyst under intimation to designated officer, to designated officer for keeping this in safe custody. Then that designated officer, if the vendor wanted for second analysis, if he can direct the food office to produce, and that may be sent to food analysis. So that provision say that section 11 provisions is available at section 47. Here several time limits are there. Several time limits have been prescribed. Whether they are following it or not, that is up to them. And several committees are there: Central Advisory Committee, Scientific Committee, then power of things. the definition of food and manufacturing package have been separately discussed under this Food Safety and Standards Act. You can even the purchaser can complain and report risk communication, bad ad, misleading ad, substandard practice. Tribunal is there. Against that designated order, you can go to tribunal, and from the tribunal must be consisting of tribunal, then appellate tribunal. Appellate tribunal is a district judge. Tribunal means additional magistrate, additional divisional magistrate. So he probably executive officer. Thereafter, its appeal should go to High Court by division bench. Must be 2 judges. This is most important. I am sorry. Earlier I have read this act, but yesterday night only I have gone through the entirety act. For consolidation report, I must have some judgment so that my suggestions or deliberation may not disturb you. So what to do, what not to do has been stated. The primary question was whether the provisions available under Food Adulteration Act is still available under the Food Safety and Standard Act. It is still available. I have stated at the relevant sections. But before that, you see what must be the ingredients. What is infant food? The food being used for children, babies. Label, license must be there. Then misbranding. Somebody's brand is affixing. Then food business operator, food laboratory, food safety, all this food addictive, food analyst, food authority, food business, contaminant, consumer, designated officer, extraneous matter. If suppose while eating some food, if you found some plastic, that is extraneous matter. Then adulterant advertisement claim. First go through the definitions so that you may equip with the limit of this food safety and standard. Even consumer word has been incorporated here. Apart from your claim before the consumer forum, you can also punish him under this act, and the entire scheme, if it is not properly implemented by the state authority, the union government can directly implement it. That is also there. Therefore, apart from this Prevention of Food Adulteration Act, so many other acts must be looked into. Milk and milk product regulations, then agriculture. Here also the agriculture raw product was also brought to the ambit of this Food Safety and Standard Act. So the Prevention of Food Adulteration Act has been given wide expanded definition. This case for this clarification only how the samples must be deposited to the designated authority and food safety officer, then the tribunal. All provisions are there, and what was the duty of designated officer. If you purchaser want to send the sample to. This is only corresponding provisions I have read and said. Best wishes.